Hello, welcome to our learning series. We are continuing with this famous book, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. And the topic for today is linked with the last topic of habit number one, be proactive, but would be focusing more on circle of concern and circle of influence. We all worry or take stress for something or other reason in our life, and that's an integral part of human nature, isn't it? But the most effective, wise, and happy people handle the stress of life in completely different manner than rest of us. Interested to know how? Let's explore it together. As we go about our lives, there are two type of things happens to us. The first, which we really care for and matters to us. For example, our work, business, life, family, finances, kids, coronavirus, and so on. And you can classify them as your circle of concern because you are concerned about them. Then there are other things which you don't care for and doesn't matter to us at all, and you can classify or put them into no concern zone. But when we have a close look on circle of concern, interesting thing we realize that most of the things are actually out of our control. For example, the possibility of nuclear attack on this country, economic recession, you being into traffic jam, or somebody reacting from their behavior perspective on you. Yeah, these are really out of your control. And then there are things which are under your control. For example, saving or keeping that emergency fund so that you can respond better to economic scenario. Yeah, listening to that music or podcast if you are in the traffic jam, or responding little wisely to that person's behavior. Yeah? And these are the things make your circle of influence. You can really influence and you can really do something about them. Proactive people focus on their circle of influence, choosing to work on the things which are in their control, wherein their efforts would bring positive difference to the results and relationships in their own lives. It brings ultimately happiness to them because it allows them to initiate and influence that change and ultimately result into the enhancement of their circle of influence for them. On contrary, reactive people choose to focus on their circle of concern, fretting over the things they really can't alter and resulting into the wastage of energy and efforts and ultimately shrinking of their circle of influence. Let me share you my real life story. That was a time of year 2007, January, very winter, cold days back in India. We two friends were supposed to catch a flight from Jaipur, and we were in my base town, that is in Bhilwara, Rajasthan. We planned everything from the travel perspective. From Bhilwara to Jaipur, it's a 4-hour by road journey. And our flight time from Jaipur was 3 p.m. in afternoon. So we took the early morning bus at 6 o'clock from Bhilwara, calculating everything, still resulting into 3 hours of buffer time for us. We boarded the bus at 6 o'clock. It was a very pleasant journey until 7:30 in the morning when our bus started slowing down on a highway. And then in 10-12 minutes, it reached to a completely standstill point. And upon inquiring, we got to know that there is an accident at the intersection of highway and village. Like us, all other people were also thinking what would happen, how much time it would take. And the friend who was with me, we all were discussing the aspect of our flight. So one of us was really becoming impatient and started getting frustrated with the situation he started blaming almost everyone, to the bus driver, to the villagers, to the traffic, to the situation in India, to almost everyone. In between, we called to the airport authorities. We didn't have those times the mobile application and we could really track the real time situation of the flight. Nobody was responding. And then there was other friend between two who was really planning that what can be the other flight time, how to inform other people. He also was carrying a radio with him and he started tuning in. In between, we got to know that the villagers put that one of the vehicle on fire in that anger. So that would mean being on the road or in the jam for around 2-3 more hours. So one of the friend was taking it very kind of, you can't do anything on this, so enjoy it. And in between, now the villagers or somebody, the local shop people started bringing tea and breakfast and those kind of things as a business for them. So one of the friend was enjoying it, was in completely different frame of mind, but another person was completely out of the context. Finally, after 2.5-3 hours spending there, wherein we were supposed to reach 10 o'clock to Jaipur, we reached by 1 o'clock. In Hareli, we reached to airport by 1:30, and to our surprise, we got to know that the flight which was supposed to come from Delhi, because of the foggy situation in Delhi, it didn't fly and was about to reach by 2:30, and they revised the flight time from 3 to 5 p.m. So then we both the friends again discussed, see how much of tension one friend took during the entire journey without eating, having anything for the food or tea or anything, and blamed almost everyone. And then another friend was in little better control of the situation, focusing on what he could do. And they were really laughing at the end of the day that wish another friend could have taken the similar balanced approach, wherein focusing on the things which are in their control. Yeah. So excited to know how we can really go ahead about focusing on circle of concern or on circle of influence. Let's do this activity together. It would need a A4 size paper and pencil for you. You can grab it anyway now. So once you have this paper and pencil, start writing down 5-7 things which you are really concerned about, or which creating little bit of stress or anxieties in your mind. Anything, it can be about the relationship, or the kids are not listening to you, or the work pressure at office, or the chemistry with your boss in the organization, anything. And as a second step, now out of that list, whatever number you have, 5-7, think which are in your control or which are not in your control. So the things which are not in your control, put into your circle of concern. And things are which in your control. For example, if you need to improve your behavior, or you need to work hard, which are under your control. These are your circle of influence for you. So as a next step, start immediate action on your circle of influence. And the last step in this activity is about the things which are really out of your control, accept and acknowledge them. Request serenity to help you find peace with it. So as a way forward, focus and explore where you are putting your energies and efforts, in circle of concern or in circle of influence. Wherever you focus your energies, it will expand. So the focus on circle of influence, it will expand. Let me also bring here the serenity prayer for all of us. God, grant us the serenity to accept the things we can't change, and the courage to change the things we can, and wisdom to know the difference. So here is wishing you all the best. Would see you in the next time with another business bite. Till then, stay safe, take care, and happy learning.